Hey guys, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to create a contact us form like this. You can see on the right section using simple HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Without further ado, let's get started to code. Okay, first you have to create the three file, which is HTML, CSS and JavaScript, of course. For the HTML, I just start with the extension by Visual Studio Code. When I type HTML, you can see there is three options. Choose the middle one, HTML5, and you can see they create it for you. It will speed up your development, of course. For title, we can just say contact us, and we need to link the HTML file with the CSS, so we can type link rel relation to style sheet, and the target is main.css. And then for the body tag, on the inside we can just type div with the class container, and I want to add to tag header. It is a header tag that say contact us, and I want to give a paragraph. Please leave your message here and we will get back to you shortly. And after that, as you can see, contact us, please leave your message here and we will get back to you shortly. Then we want to add a form with action. We will leave it blank, and on the inside of the form tag we can just add a div. This is for the name and email, and you can use span, and we can give the class input form, I think. Then we can add a label, form name, and of course the input itself. We can use ID name. Type, of course, we can use the text, and placeholder full name. And then we can just copy it and paste it on the bottom of it. Just change some value, email address, let's save it first. Then we can see full name, email address. Okay, don't worry about the style, we will finish the HTML first. And then I want to create the the message sections and the button. We can just add a label here, message. Don't forget to add the 4 attribute message, and instead of input we can use text area, and we give id message with the rows 10 I think, and placeholder type your message here. Okay, you see. Okay, the next we just add the button so we can submit the message. We give the on click attribute and we just call it send to WhatsApp. And the last we can type script because we're gonna use javascript file which is main.js. Okay, and then when we try to add the message and submit, nothing happen. Okay, because we have not yet got the main.js. So let's start with the styling first. Okay, for the best behavior before styling css of some page, just use margin 0 and padding 0, box sizing and font family. We can start defining right here. I just use Poppins and sans serif I think, and then I want the color of text is 444, and after that start to styling the body. We will make the height of body is 100 viewport height, and we need to use the flex on the display, and we want it on the center, so we need to set the align item and justify content to center, and we need to start giving the color of background. Just use what you like. Here I want to use the 3C 9C D 0 hex value. You can see now the change, and we need to start styling the container. Just give the white value and border radius 10 px maybe, padding of course 30, width I want to give it 450 pixels, and of course this will be a flex too, and the direction of the flex is column, and I want to give the gap 10 pixel. Let's see. Okay, the radius, the border radius the gap between the element. This is the column direction from top to bottom, and we just gonna style the form itself. We'll give it margin top 10 pixel, I think, and display must be a flex 2 with the direction column, and I just give the gap 20 pixel. See, right? There's a different. Okay, continue to the div inside the form div display will be flex, and I will justify the content to space between, so the name and email will be pushed to right and left equally. And then what I have to do is give the input form styling. The width must be 100, I think, and the padding 10 pixel is enough. Background color, I think I will just go with the EEE. Border, I don't want to use the border. And outline, none. Sorry, I think I missed something. Yeah, this is for the input itself, not for the span. Styling for input form is we need to make a flex, and flex direction is the column. And gap will be 10 pixel. It's better, right? Okay, and then we will go with text area. We will give it a 100% width, padding 10 pixels too. Background color, of course, same with the input EEE. Border we will go with none, and outline none. For the button, we will give the background color something like red. Padding 10 pixels vertical and 30 pixels horizontal. For border radius, we will give it 5 pixels, I think. Color of the text will be white, and border will be none. You see? And I'll make sure for the button itself. Okay, we need to add hover styling, so the button will be changed on the color when we hover. The cursor will be changed too. We need to add button hover, cursor pointer, and the background color will be maybe yellowish. Okay, let's see. Okay, for styling I think it's enough, and we'll go with the main.js. We will create a function called send to WhatsApp, and let's start with defining the number that we want to send. For the example, 62891234567 8, and of course we will get the name from the input. We need to use the document get element by id name, and we get the value. Email document dot get element by id email dot value, and the last one is message document get element by id message dot value. And then we want to make a URL that WhatsApp use for sending message using WhatsApp desktop or web, which is https wa.me, and we want to add the number. We want to give a parameter like text which is name, and don't forget to add the line break. This is using Unicode. Email, add the line break too, and the last one is message. We add the line break too. Maybe we can add 2 line break, and the last one is we want to open this URL on the new tab. So window that it open, give the URL, and don't forget to add blank, so it will open the new URL on the new tab, and then make it focus on the new tab. Okay, let's see the result. Just input test with the email address test@test.com, and your message is hello everyone, and try to submit it. Okay, we have successfully implemented the contact us form that will be redirect to WhatsApp chat. Just try to continue to chat and use WhatsApp web. Okay, you can see the message is fully written on the contact us form. Okay, maybe that's a little knowledge that I want to share today. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.